Hey everybody, I'm going to start by showing you the pour video 300. The gold is gone, but there's a heck of a lot of pink. I am going to resin this, and when I resin it, I'm going to mix in some gold powders into it and thread those through, and I might do the same with blue so that it is got a little gold, you know. This is, I think, the only gold I can see. Well, I guess right here threading through, but maybe this and that's about it. And this is 301, and I love this one. So it is, the colors are so pretty. I really like this one. All right, so now let's get you, whoa. Today I'm covering up that dinosaur pour from, it's a while ago. Might have been one of my first pours in my new setup, actually. There we go. There we go. And I call it dinosaur pour because that's what it looks like, or horse, or something like that. I just realized I don't have any white paint. Oh, well, I've got this. I guess I'm gonna have to use my spare that I keep in a squeeze bottle that I don't want to use. I'm going to do an open cup flip and drag with vermilion. This does have treadmill silicone, and I know we split up, but it's blue, and I wanted blue. Then this is a self-mixed, I think it was the remains of a yellow and the remains of an orange with white. And then Artist Loft green yellow. Let me set this aside. Get some Love Zone. I've been busy today cleaning out my studio. I had like this huge punching bag thing. Put that on the curb with a free sign, so I'm hoping it's gone soon. And now I have a shelf in its place, so it's really quite nice. So this is my Dutch Boy paint mixed with Floetrol and water. This one looks a bit thin, but it should be okay. I'm just going to use this to touch up the sides. Oh yeah, I can see this is thin, so I can see the, some of the color from underneath, but once I do my flip and drag on it, those colors will show instead. So since I just shook up that bottle, there are tons of air bubbles, so I'm going to pop those. So I can see most of the color because the way it was is around here. You can see it here. So that's kind of where I'm going to focus this. If my white was a touch thicker, I wouldn't have this issue. So I'm just going to pour it into there. I'm not pouring this one with silicone first because I don't want it hitting the canvas. So that. And actually I'm going to do vermilion next. Oh my gosh, I must not have used this forever. It does not want to open. Ooh, that needs stirring. Got my bamboo sticks, which are amazing, and there's a link to them in my Amazon list in my description. These are so awesome. And they wipe right off because they're smooth. And then you can reuse them like immediately with other colors and they're fine. I feel sad for neglecting my vermilion for so long. Can't even get the lid back on. There. Well, I heard part of it click. Not the rest of it, but that's okay. And this is, I'm guessing this is Prussian blue. And then the green yellow. I love this color too. So this little thing is filled 3/4 of the way. Put a little bit, I like this color. I'm gonna put a little bit of that more on top. So there's probably a lot of paint here for this. I am just more sliding it than dragging it. Because you can't see canvas. So it's more of a flip and glide. Oh wow, there really wasn't that much in there. So I am going right there, do that. There's a lot of white over the colors. So I'm going to do quite a bit of tilting. So I'm going to get this off up at this corner. There we go. Oh, and I want it off at, whoops. All right, so now I'm going to tilt it down. And a little bit over to get it off on this left side. And then back this way. I like that look. Slowly but surely it's moving. And there's a lot of silicone right in that area. I just need to get it moving a little. Ooh, now I kind of have a turtle. So I went from a dinosaur to a turtle. I like this one. Simple and sweet. Let's see what it looks like torched. I'm hoping this doesn't end up all with white. No, good. Ooh, look at those. Those are really interesting. Wow. Look at these. I wasn't expecting that. I guess there must have been quite a bit of the blue underneath there. I mean, I can see some blue, but I wasn't expecting that. That's cool. Need some more interest. I even like this little loner one right there. Just like, I don't want to be that close to you guys. It's pretty sweet. Let's see. I don't like this. It's so smooth. There we go. Now it's not as smooth. All right, touch up these edges again. Keep making them blue. And now you can tell you can't see any of the previous pour. So I accomplished that. Still not happy with this blue area right here. There, now it's kind of more unified. Still not happy with that blue area. So I'm tilting it a little. Something's not right. I think it's just too dark over here. There, I like that a lot better. Lot better. That's more like it. There we go. I figured out what it needed. I think it was too different before. The sides were too different. Looked like two paintings instead of one. And now it looks like one. Because now they kind of bleed into each other. And some of the dark is rising up, so I'll still get that dramatic darkness of it. So there you have it. That's the direction I've been looking at it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a good day. It's Saturday. Enjoy.